Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy MKBHD here, and today we're diving deep into the world of Apple Silicon. We've got two heavy hitters in the ring, the M4 Mac Mini and the M2 Mac Studio. Both are absolute beasts, but which one is right for you? That's what we're here to find out. Choosing the right tech is more important than ever. We're living in a digital world, and having the right tools can make or break your workflow. Whether you're editing videos, designing websites, or just browsing the web, your tech can seriously impact your productivity. But let's be real. Not everyone has unlimited cash to drop on the latest and greatest tech. That's why we're going to break down the specs, the performance, and the price of these two Macs. We'll figure out which one gives you the most bang for your buck. So, buckle up, because things are about to get techie. Let's get down to brass tacks and compare these two machines. The M4 Mac Mini, with its sleek and compact design, is a powerhouse for everyday tasks. It handles everything from web browsing and email to light video editing like a champ. The M2 Mac Studio, on the other hand, is a whole different beast. It's packing some serious firepower, designed for professional workloads like 3D rendering, high-end video editing, and software development. Think of it like this. The Mac Mini is like a reliable sedan. It gets you where you need to go, no problem. The Mac Studio is like a sports car. It's built for speed and performance, perfect for those who demand the absolute best. Now let's talk price. The Mac Mini is the more affordable option, starting at a price that won't break the bank. The Mac Studio, with its pro-level performance, comes at a premium. That's not to say it's not worth it, but it's definitely an investment. Now I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, should I just go for the most powerful machine? Not necessarily. It's all about finding the right tool for the job. If you're a student working on essays or a casual user who mainly browses the web and watches Netflix, the Mac Mini is more than enough. It's like buying a pickup truck when all you need is to haul groceries. On the flip side, if you're a creative professional working on demanding projects, the Mac Studio is a no-brainer. It's an investment in your craft, and the time you save with its blazing fast performance will pay dividends in the long run. Remember, value isn't just about specs and performance, it's about finding a device that fits your needs and your budget. Don't buy into the hype and spend more than you need to. Here's the bottom line. Making smart tech decisions is like investing in your future. By choosing a device that aligns with your needs and budget, you're freeing up resources that you can invest elsewhere. That could be anything from putting money into a savings account to investing in your education or starting a side hustle. Remember, tech is a tool to help you achieve your goals. So before you click that buy now button, take a step back and think about what you really need. Don't be afraid to go for the more affordable option if it means you can invest in other areas of your life. That's it for me. Make sure you're subscribed for more tech breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.